Hi guys, just a really quick intro. I've recently picked up the Stargrave rulebook and what I want to do is kit bash my own crew, but I'll also be kit bashing some cool mini bases as well, just so they kind of look different. I'm also thinking of, as you've seen from a previous video, I like to make these display boards for my shelf, just put my minis on. I'm thinking of maybe doing not a to scale spaceship, but something that looks as if they'd kind of all fit in, and put it on there as a display piece. I'm not sure. So this may be kind of like a three-parter. Part one, this part will be the mini bases. Part two, actual crew. Part 3, display board and spaceship. Who knows, just let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you do. Don't forget notifications, and then you will never miss a thing. If you would like to support the channel, there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can do it on Patreon, or now you can choose to buy me a coffee. All links will be in the pinned comments and in the description below. Okay peeps, thanks for watching. Let's crack on with this build.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed.